super hvala. Hello guys, how are you? Good, thank you very much. I wanted to talk to you guys about a story. I have a ghost or something demonic, a demon I encountered one time, like near me. It was like, I just can't explain. Kao neko strašno nešto je bilo prije 3 godine. Before 3 years ago this happened. Ja ne radim drogu, ja nikada nisam radila drogu u mom životu, pa nisam luda, nema ništa kao ludosti sa mnom. I have never, first of all, ću probati da to kažem prvo. First of all, I wanted to say I have never done drugs in my life, and I never touch them, and I don't do them. So there's nothing craziness about me or whatever else like that. Anyways, I want to talk to you. And this, like 3 years ago, there was something touched, like something hit me like really hard in the back of my neck, or my back, sorry, here. This is where it is, like in the back. On my back, nešto jako udarilo, kao sa šakom, kao velika šaka, ali me nešto jako sluplo, jako me dobro udarilo. I ne znam šta je. I don't know what hit me, but one day I went to the movies with my friends. We went to the movies and we came back home, and I was thinking, we had a conversation about like ghosts and stuff like that. Like one of my friends started talking about it, and I was like, ghosts don't make this right, that's stupid. Jedan dan mi išli sa društvom da gledamo film. Ja, moja drugarica. Mi nešto pričamo o nekim stvarima, odstrašilo i takve stvari. Neke stvari kada umreš, što se desi, pa to niko ne zna, kad neko umre, kad ti tvoj duh i sve kad ti ode od tebe. Not to be like all your soul, when you're passed away, your soul, like it goes away from you, right, when it leaves your body. We were talking about just like a conversation like that, tak sam nešto pričala o tome. Iako strašno ne postoji, nema takve stvari, to je bez veze, gluposti, sranje, znaš. I ja to nisam vjerovala. So I didn't believe that. I was like, ghosts don't exist and all this stuff, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So, when I came home, it was around 12. The movie just ended. It was like a late movie, 9. So about 11 something, 11:30, and it came home by like 12. I film je počeo kod 9, završilo oko 11:30, došla sam kući 12 ujutro. Na večer. 12 ujutro. To je kao noć. 11:30. Završio film na večer i ne sam vratila kući posle filma. Posle smo išli i gledamo film. Ja i moje drugarice. I onda ja ležim tu da uzela knjigu, nisam mogla da spavam. I uzela knjigu i ležim, počela da čitam. I oči se nisam zatvorila, pola sam budna, pola spavam. Pola mi se kao zaspe, spavam se, ali pola sam isto budna. So then I couldn't sleep, came home and I took a book, started reading a book. I zove se knjiga što sam bila čitala, zove se Phantom of the Opera. The book that I was reading was called The Phantom of the Opera. Anyways, that was a chapter book. So, to je knjiga što sam bila čitala, zove se Phantom of the Opera. Phantom of the Opera. So I was half asleep, half awake, blah, 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 everything, whatever. It was fine. And then, so I'm kind of like dozing in bed and just, not dozing, but kind of laying down, just ready to fall asleep. I was really tired, but I could not sleep for some reason. I don't know what was wrong with me at that time, at that night. So I'm just like, I was reading the book. I ran for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Ja bila sam čitala i ležim putem, nisam mogla da zaspam mimo. Ne znam što mi je bilo, ne znam što nisam mogla da spavam, ali nisam mogla tu noć. Nikako nisam mogla. i čitam knjigu oko 15 minuta do 20 minuta, tako nešto aproksimatno, između 15 do 20 minuta. And čitam i odjednom imala sam moje leđa na udar. Spavala sam na kak sam bila? Ovako mi je krevet, ovako mi je prav. I onda sam pored zida, ja sam na facu na zid, pored zid. Pa nalijekala na... Ako ovako spavam, lijevu, desno, na desnu stranu sam bila. I was basically, ja bila sam desnu stranu, gledala na zid, moja faca je bila pored zida. So I was basically facing the right hand side, my face was facing the wall. How I was turned, kako sam bila okrenula sam okrećena. Kako sam ona bila legla, kako sam bila okrećena. And so whatever, and all of a sudden, something just hits, up in the back, like a knock, a good punch, just takes a thing and just, and I go like this, right away on my other side, and I go like that, literally that's how it was, and all of a sudden I hear I'm not kidding you, I swear, sorry, I just don't like the story, I was so terrified. In Jesus' name I pray. It was like this, raw, I can't explain, it was this, nothing was there, but that scream of, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, it was just so weird. It was takav neki glas. I to je uzeo neko, i isto kada neko uzeo šaku, ako sam bila i udarala, mene udaralo, jako udaralo, teško je udario, oni su god udario, kad neko udari, a to je pozadi leđa i neko me dobro sa šakom, kao šaka na leđa, po leđima, kao šaka po leđima. I neko me tako udario dobro. Ja okrenula ovako na drugu stranu i ovako su mi oči bili. I ovako su mi oči moji bili. Ja sam tako se prepala. Da vam kažem na vam, stvarno, iskreno kažem. Kako je bilo, tako sam se naplašila. Stvarno sam se plašila. I was so terrified, you guys. I was so afraid. I was so scared. When this thing, and it just said that, i počela je neko ovako kao glas. I takav glas. I ja odmah počela sam molim Bog, ja molim Bože ime, koje god ovdje odbaci s moje kuće, izlazi đavo, što je god strašno, loša energija, izlazi odmah iz moje kuće. U Bože ime, amen. And I started praying, you guys. I was like, in Jesus Christ, I pray whatever's in my house, any demonic, anything, nasty demon, anything, ghost, any crap, out of my house, in Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. I was praying.